Then Maria Sequeira has asked me, please name the fruits. Now the fruits, as I said, I told in many of my live chats that you are going to take fresh fruits. Okay. Now the fresh fruits are any fresh fruits. Say all fruits are very high in vitamin B. They are very high in vitamin C. Specifically vitamin C. Now vitamin C is very important for us in our immune modulation. Now let me also put up over here, WHO, the World Health Organization, has said that not all fruits are treatment for COVID. They are not treatment for COVID. They are just your something that is going to boost up your health. I wouldn't even say boost up immunity, because this boosting immunity is some new fad which has come up. Okay, boosting immunity with medicines, boosting immunity with powders. Just 1 minute. She'll have to wait for 5 minutes. She'll have to wait. Oh, ये दे दे, cotton pad दे दे. Okay, so the name of the fruits, you can start taking fruits such as lemon juice, then orange, santra, the grapes are very good, kiwi is a very good fruit, even the watermelon. So these are something which are really good, plus they are not heavy fruits. Okay, everyone can have them. Now next is this is one incidence of one lady that I will say later on. Next is please tell me, doctor, in such case. Okay, next is if I come in contact with a positive person. I answered that. Yes. Next is only scared writing. Okay, there is one lady who has asked me this thing. What if a mother of a 4-month-old baby gets positive? Again, if the mother gets positive, not to worry, isolate the mother and the baby in one room. You cannot separate the baby. Now, by Indian standards, okay, the AAP, that is the American standards, are that you can separate the baby. But here in India, we are battling other diseases also. So, what we say is, you do not separate the baby from the mother. Keep the baby and the mother roomed in, that is together. Let the mother breastfeed. Only mother has to wear a mask which will cover the nose and the mouth, okay, whenever she is with the baby. Other option is, if you can remove the milk, that is express the milk and give that milk to someone else who is going to feed the baby with preferably with a vati and spoon, then you can do that way and keep the baby with someone else who is ready to take proper care of the baby. See, in the world, I think there is no one better than the mother who can take care of the baby, utmost care. Okay. How to keep the baby safe? Again, I have answered that when is continue breastfeeding. Other thing is wearing mask which will cover your nose and the mouth, and please see to it that your mouth doesn't go on, your mask doesn't go on sliding down your nose. Nose and the mouth are two openings from which your air is continuously going in and out, and that is the place from where you are getting infected. Third question he has asked is it safe to breastfeed? Yes, it is very essential to breastfeed rather here. Then next question is, can the baby and mother be together? Yes, they can be together, because this person who has asked, as elderly people at home won't be able to look after the baby. Yes, that is the problem with most of the families. So you can keep the baby and the mother together. Now Alex Rosario from UK, I think he's a healthcare worker, and yes, again, hats off to all the healthcare workers, the police, all the government servants who are battling these conditions. He has asked me one question. Hi doctor, I am in UK. I am working in a hospital with isolated patients and I am wearing PPE all the time and changing the PPE. Do you think still would get chance of positive myself? Please advise. Alex, yes. We are in healthcare services and we are the highest risk to get, because we are coming in contact with so many people. Now, when you are wearing your PPE, so there is something known as donning of PPE and doping of PPE that you know, okay, that is proper wearing of the PPE and proper removal of the PPE. If you follow that, less chances of you getting the COVID, but you have to follow it properly. I know how difficult it is, because you know what, I am practicing in a very small clinic. I have a very small clinic. I do not see very serious patients. I see very much basic level pediatrics. Okay, for all those people who are in contact with the patients who are being isolated or who are being treated in corona wards, I know how difficult it is for you all. Okay, because you are in direct contact with a person who is COVID positive. Okay, so be careful, do your work with full attention, full concentration, wear your PPE properly so that you are not getting harmed. Okay, because if one healthcare worker gets harmed, you know what, how much of a burden it is for the rest of the people, because people will not get proper services, and population at large should understand, the public at large should understand how to respect your doctor, how to respect your people who are helping you, doctor, nurses, healthcare workers, police, everyone who is helping you. please give them the proper respect. Few days back we have been seeing so many videos which are going, and viral about abusing doctors, and it really hurts when we see that. We do so much for people, and at the end we are getting this, whether be it a police or doctor, the type of treatment that we are getting, it's very difficult to digest that. Next is, our family was infected with COVID-19, and from last 15 days we are at home, we are home quarantine. Our vitals are normal. Do we have to retest again? No, you do not need to retest. Okay, they are going to finish their quarantine on 17th of September. You are not going to retest yourself until and unless someone who is there in the house, who is supposed to work, some workplaces are asking for a certificate that they are COVID negative. In that case, only that person has to get the report. Otherwise, others need not repeat the test. Next is Brian Joseph. What about poor people? He has asked me a question. What about poor people who are on the road and don't even have a mobile with them, for the good knowledge, but people who don't have a mobile, how are they going to see your things? I mean, Brian, I am trying to do something good from my side. I mean, now see, there are always loops and holes. There are the people who won't be able to see me. There are people who won't be able to hear me. So many things are there. But those who can hear me and who can see me, please dissipate the knowledge further. If you meet someone, you can just tell them, wear a mask, be unsocial, only few things, okay? Eat properly, that's it. If they unsocialize themselves, they are going to be safe from the COVID. Then I just wanted to say this one, I think one more. Yeah, so this is someone unknown person. He has told me the person was tested positive. 58-year-old person was tested positive some days back. He was home quarantined, but no one called up and monitored him. On the 4th day, his fever was still there, and besides, he was coughing, puking, passing loose motions. No taste was so weak, and his family was not able to get any doctor's assistance. Finally, yesterday he got bed so that he had to be rushed to ESI hospital. Found he was having pneumonia. So tell me, doctor, in such cases, where do we go? Lucky my niece is Dr. So and so. She had a friend in ESI, so it is difficult to get help. See, you know what? Ideally, if you go through the go through the proper channel, that is, get your testing done, and you are registered in the government, then you get all this help. Now, if the testing was not done in the government, or it was not reported in the government, that is, even if you do the positive testing in private, they report it to the government. From the government, a list goes through. Like, there have been times when I have got some patient's details after 5 days of his positivity. So there is some delay here, and it is natural because there are so many people even in the government machinery. People are very less who are doing all this work. Okay, so it takes time for them to send that thing. By the time we get the report, it is around 4-5 days. Sometimes I get on second day, maximum times I get on second day, but sometimes I have even got the report at 4th or 5th day, wherein following that I start following the patients, and I am sure whoever is following the doctors who are following are definitely following by message or by phone. Also, let me tell you here, there have been so many incidences wherein I am getting a question, why are you trying to call us at this time? Why are you calling us again? Why are you sending me so many messages when we are trying to follow them? Okay, so this type of behavior also we are trying to digest. There are too many things doctors are trying to digest these days. Okay, so for you, the question is, where can you all go? So the health facility which is close by to you, you are going to go there. If there is a problem, rather speak to them first. Before going, speak to them so that they are sure that someone who is COVID positive is coming, or any other private hospitals which are close by. So try to keep a track of which private hospitals are catering. Now again, I cannot say any name of private hospital here because simply it will be taken as me doing some advertising for some hospital. So I am not going to take any names. Let me just go through some questions which people are asking. Hi Durga Das Kamath, hi Lisa Mittal, hi Surendra Kumar, hi uncle, Sachi Shahi Shirgaonkar, all hi to everyone. Now Sachi Shahi Shirgaonkar has asked me, my husband is police and from 8 days he got mild cough and nothing else, but his pandemic started. We family taking all precautions like stem 12 months. Please help. See, if he has cough and if he is in police, please better get tested. The cough, fever, cold, difficulty in breathing, please get tested. There is no harm in getting tested. If he is positive, at least you can isolate him and the rest of the family can check themselves and isolate, or at least try to stay separate. Okay. Then Mitali Talwadkar, hi. One of my relative has got pregnancy test and also COVID positive. What needs to be done? See, their gynec will tell them. Basically, she has to isolate for 17 days, and depending upon her timing of pregnancy, everything will be decided. Okay, so the gynec will be the right person to give her the further this thing. What is that, the guidance. And there are some asymptomatic patients at his workplace, and from 8 days my husband has been self isolated himself. That's very good. Okay, so if you feel you have symptoms, please isolate yourself and try to take your medications. I think today I will stop here because there is a baby waiting outside who has had a cut, and I have to look at that baby. So today I will stop here. Follow me on all my social medias, my YouTube, my Instagram, and my FB page, Dr. Poonam's blog. See you tomorrow with all the other set of questions which I will get by then. Thank you.